Retiring from the rat race? Well, this is your moment to capitalize on the market that truly fits how you want to live right now. Let's get you the best price using my customized planning guide for downsizing. Is the pull of family and quickly growing grandkids getting stronger? Do you dream of spending more time with your grandkids or having great weekend adventures and maybe even getting a furry friend of your own without the burden of a home that no longer suits your needs? I understand your dream, but the reality of getting there, the downsizing, the decisions, the sheer volume of stuff can feel incredibly daunting. You've built a lifetime of memories in your current home, and the thought of letting go and navigating a complex real estate market can be totally daunting. But that's where my 25 years of experience come in. I spent my career not just selling homes, but guiding people through major life transitions. I've learned downsizing isn't just about square footage. It's about emotional navigation, strategic planning, and having a trusted advocate by your side. My planning guide for downsizing is designed to take the stress out of this process and empower you to create that next most enjoyable chapter, just the way you plan. We'll start by defining your ideal future. What does that life with your grandkids look like? What kind of home supports that? We'll create a clear vision to give guidance to every one of your decisions so you can get satisfaction. I'll leverage my market expertise to maximize the value of your current home. We'll develop a tailored plan to prepare your property for sale, attract the right buyers, and negotiate the best possible outcome for you. I'll connect you with a network of my trusted professionals, my secret weapons, great team members from organizers to movers to handle the logistics of downsizing, decluttering, and then setting up your new space. My team and I will be there to hold your hand every step of the way, ensuring a smooth, stress-free move. This isn't about just selling a home. It's about crafting a life. So let's work together to make your transition to that next chapter not just successful, but truly enjoyable. Are you worried about hidden costs and surprises? Go to downsizing.sagesanders.com/home to schedule your smooth move game plan, including a thorough walkthrough audit and pre-sale package. So let's get your home market ready and ensure a seamless, profitable sale for you.